this core exercise is going to be like a yogi and a gymnast had a baby. So, what we're doing are boat pose to hollow hold lowers. So it's a transition exercise where we go from one position, hold, and then go to the next. Everything is elevated. The only thing that is touching the ground is your butt and your low back. Now from here, you're going to focus everything you got to go back up into that boat pose. I know it may be difficult, but I believe in you just as much as I believe in myself trying to do this, because I kind of held this for a while. So, deep breath in. Oh, Jesus. And look, we're back in boat pose. How easy was that?
Do that a couple times around to warm up the spine. I'm in that upward dog position on the balls of my feet, drawing my heels backward, pushing with my hands. Now from there, I am rotating my head, trying to look over my shoulder, and then I'm slightly dipping the opposite hip down towards the ground.
So basically, I'm going to start off with my right leg forward. And what we're going to be doing is creating two 90-degree angles, one with the front leg and one with the rear leg. Draw that sternum, so that bony part between your chest, forward, not downward. And immediately, you should feel a deep stretch in that right glute. We're all set up. We're gonna make sure that we have our core engaged, we don't arch our back, and we don't cat our back. So we find that neutral spine, deep breath in, brace the core, get up on the balls of our feet, and from here, we're going to squeeze the butt and just simply stay grounded. We're going to move our right hand and left leg forward, up, back. ADEX clubs are adjustable in weight, heavy duty, and made in the USA. Exercise number 1, we're going to need a band. Now I'm going to take a deep breath in, and I'm going to keep my arms straight, open up my chest, and I'm pulling the band as if I'm trying to pull it through my body, and I'm trying to cut myself in half. So notice here that I'm not tilting my rib cage into the band. I'm keeping everything neutral, and I'm bringing it back.